So your keyframes magically disappeared in Blender. Let me show you how to bring them back. So the first thing we need to do is to select our object, not just any object, but the object with our animation. So if I'm just going to click on my cube here, I'm clicking on it and still can't see my keyframes. So what do I do? Maybe I've been zooming in here, going back and forth, and zooming out, still can't find them. I'm thinking to myself, where the beep did the keyframes go? So what I need to do now is just push down my mouse scroll and push the mouse towards me, and bam, my keyframes are back. So what just happened here is that I've been, without knowing it, all the way down here at the timeline, and I need to go all the way up. So another way to go all the way to the top in the timeline is just by going over here to the right and using this scroll function here, and just push that up and you will see all your keyframes. The next reason why your keyframes may be gone from Blender is that you've been doing your thing here, making something, and you've been hiding your object with your keyframes. So what you can try to do is just do Alt H, make sure that everything is visible in your scene, and go all the way to the top, and you most likely will find your keyframes. If that doesn't work, you can try to go over to this view tab and go down to only show errors, and make sure that this one is not selected. So if I were to select it, as you can see, my keyframes are disappearing. If I click on it again, and my keyframes are back. So the last and final reason why your keyframes may be gone is because you've actually been deleting your keyframes. So if I were to click X and then delete, now I want to bring back my keyframes. All I need to do is go up to Edit and down to Undo, and bam, we have our keyframes back. So hopefully you found your keyframes again, and if you did, consider to subscribe. Have a beautiful day and peace out.